Good morning, children. You have learned A to Z. A to Z to write. You have already learned the capital letters. And now you are going to learn the words. A for apple. A for ant. A for apple. A for ant. I have written here the first letter is a capital letter and rest all letters are small letters. Since you are practicing, you are revision you are doing at home, learning small letters. So this will help you to write in a better way. So you use a first letter will be capital, the rest all the letters will be small letters. Now you have to draw the pictures. Whichever the pictures I have given here, you can draw the pictures or you can paste the pictures. But you will be writing down in your English copy. A for apple, A for ant. Okay? This will be done one full page. Writing down one full page for your classwork and one full page for your homework. That means the one apple and ant will be writing one page full, then second page also. If you are writing here, the next page also will be the same thing you will be writing down for your homework. And then you can see here B for ball and B for bat. The same activities you have to do. You will be drawing the pictures and writing down the capital letter, then rest all the small letters. Okay? Then C for cat and C for car. Okay? You can paste the picture here or draw the picture. The same activities you will be doing it. But now, since you have written A for apple and A for ant, B for ball and B for bat, that you have written twice. That means ball once and the bat once only you have written down in your copy. And now you will be writing down, as I am shown here, the sheet of paper here you can see, cat, cat, car, car. The spellings are very small. Now you can write down. Same thing. You will be writing down full one page for the classwork, and the next page will be for the homework. And then D for dog. D for dog. And D for duck. Now you can see a D-O-G-D-O-G. Okay? I have written down here twice dog and then duck. The same thing you are going to write down in your English copy 4 times. That means dog will be 2 times and the duck will be 2 times. When you are writing down again and again, that is for the revision also, and you will be improving your handwriting. Okay? Use the capital letter for the first letter will be capital and the rest all will be the small letters. Okay, children? Then you will be doing in your English copy, after writing down D for dog, the 2 pages, then you come to the other page. Okay? Then you will be writing A for apple, A for ant. B for ball, B for bat. C for cat, C for car. D for dog, D for duck. Now, this you can write down like apple, ant, ball, bat in one page. Okay? Then cat, car, dog, duck in one page. That means you will be writing down one page and apple, ball, bat, cat, car, dog, duck. The two pages, and then again you will be repeating the same thing for the two pages. Okay, same thing. Thank you.